If you're a dental hygiene student who's struggling in nutrition, this video is for you. Today we're going to be talking about lipids part 2. So if you haven't, go back and watch part 1. This one we're going to be continuing HDLs, LDLs, and VLDLs. So what lipoproteins are? These are density lipoproteins. It's basically how fat travels through your blood. HDL is the good one. High density lipoprotein. HDLs are made in the liver and small intestine. And they're mostly protein and not cholesterol. They're protective and they literally go into your blood vessels and collect all the cholesterol from the vessel walls and then carry it back to the liver to be excreted. HDLs are basically the cholesterol cleaners, like high vac. So LDLs and VLDLs are the bad ones. These are mostly cholesterol and very little protein. They deposit the cholesterol into the artery walls and narrow the vessels and are the major contributors to cardiovascular disease. Cholesterol numbers, a cholesterol level is about 180. So fat intake, the American Heart Association recommends on a 2,000 calorie diet, saturated fat should be less than 7%. Trans fat, ideally 0, but at least 1%. Unsaturated fat should be about 25 to 30%, mono and polysaturated. Now, if you're counting grams, total fat should stay around 60 grams a day. And saturated should be under 20. Fat digestion, it actually starts in the mouth with lingual lipase. Then it goes into the stomach, and gastric lipase continues digestion. And the fat stays in the stomach longer. That's why it makes you feel full. And the duodenum, bile from the liver, that's stored in the gallbladder, emulsifies the fat. This breaks into those droplets, so the pancreatic lipase can break into those fatty acids and glycerol. Break it into fatty acids and glycerol. Absorption and transport, short and medium chain fatty acids go straight to the liver. Long chain fatty acids are packaged into chylomicrons and they enter the lymph system. Long chain lymph. Then they go into the bloodstream. Unused fat gets repackaged and stored as adipose tissue. Now here's why fiber is so important. Soluble fiber. It binds to cholesterol and helps remove it from the body because our body can't digest fiber, so it gets rid of it. So fat can also store soluble toxins like pesticides. Animals eat plants, we eat animals and plants, and those chemicals can bioaccumulate. Scary way to end on, but I hope this helped. Have fun studying, and I'll see you later. Bye.